What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to share with you guys a couple of tricks on my trading. If you would like to stay and watch my video, guys, feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you want, obviously. But this is a very common strategy and I don't know why people don't use it. I'm using it as a break and retest strategy. It's very simple concept, guys. The price action gets to a key zone. It's like very simple. You're just getting round numbers, you see. 1.11, 1.10, 1.9. That's more than enough on the 4 hour, yeah. What you could do, guys, you could just trade the break and retest. How? Very simple. The price action consolidated, breaked, retest. Where is gonna retest? To this key zone. I'm gonna put it. Oops. To this key zone, yeah. And don't be afraid to put some wide stop losses, because what people does they just put the stop loss above the previous high and they just keep getting stopped out and they messing up on the beautiful trades, yeah. What instead you can do, I'm gonna show you a trick, because the best way to trade is to manage your risk, because nobody knows where the price action will gonna go. I'm gonna take all the time 1-to-1 risk to reward, yeah. And it's very simple, guys. You're just gonna take this grand, yeah, which is gonna be the fib, and it's gonna be 100%, 75.5, 25 and 0, yeah. You're just gonna put it right here and drag it to the downside, to the upside, sorry. And you're gonna have here like percentage, yeah. What you can do instead, yeah, you just could literally take partial losses, just because, you know, here basically top to the T. I don't know if you would get here stopped out, but maybe, who knows. So basically just target 1-to-1 risk to reward, yeah, but because you're gonna be most likely right half of the time, 50%, yeah. So what you can do, you just could enter a trade, yeah, press 1-to-1 risk to reward, and very simple. If you get in here, right here, yeah, you just could literally take 50% of the table. Here you can take 50% from whoever is left from the first position and leave everything running to the stop loss, and you will see how your losses is gonna be short. And on the average risk to reward ratio, you will have bigger risk to reward, so the results is going to be different. It won't be 1-to-1 risk to reward, but at least you're going to be on trade. Same here story, yeah. The price action came here, break, retest. What you could do, you just could literally take and enter here 1-to-1 risk to reward, and just follow the trend, guys. Follow the trend. Trend is your friend. Don't be afraid. This trend can go like very far, yeah. What you could do, you just could literally take, yeah. So from here, yeah, let's just count what it would happen here, yeah. You taking 1-to-1 risk to reward, very simple, yeah. The price action gets to here now, here it gets to the 50%, yeah. What you could do from here, for example, you risk $100, yeah. Here you're closing half of the position. So basically, how much is that? Because here is the half of the position, full amount is like $50. So you're basically losing minus $25 from this total, yeah. And another 25 is on the table, because here is half of the stop loss and full amount is $100, yeah. You here down $25. The price action reverse goes right here, yeah. So basically, if you closed already half of the position, yeah, here, from the total, from the $100 is left $50. So basically you made here $50. So basically you already got 1-to-2 risk to reward, because you lost 25 and you make 50. So that's like 1-to-2 risk to reward. But total, and don't forget, it's gonna be scenario like that when you're just gonna break, when you're gonna retest, you're just gonna take 1-to-1 risk to reward, and guess what happened? From here you will get a full $100 amount. and basically the risk to reward is gonna be bigger than 1-to-1 risk to reward, and you're gonna be right 50%, and it's gonna be less stress on your shoulder, guys. If you like this type of how is it called, this type of content, guys, and how you can manage the risk, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.